Hello and welcome to another car star video. Today our video will be working on a Peugeot 4008 2013, and this will be covering the ASC system service required notification that comes on the instrument cluster and error code P0703. Although this might look daunting and strange, it's actually a very easy fix, and we will show you what we've done to fix this error. So on your cluster you would see the ASC system service required notification, and if you do the diagnostics of this, it will show error code P0703 and depending something like brake switch B circuit. And now the solution is rather simple, well, at least for this vehicle it was the brake lights or the bulbs were not working correctly. Now we'll show you how to take off the tail light on this Peugeot 4008. Now because I did this job, I took it off again just so I can record it and show you. Now this bulb that I just put on is one that's not working correctly. When you press the brake pedal, the bulb is not, the second coil of it is not lighting up. And then you'll see what I mean shortly when I put on the one that's working correctly. So we took off the bulb that's not working correctly, put on the correct one right now. And then when you press the brake pedal, that's when your brake lights come on, like this one. And this is actually what was causing that error notification to come up. So there can be many problems or things that cause this notification to come up on your cluster, but I'd recommend before doing anything just to make sure, get someone to press the brake pedal and check that your brake lights are actually working correctly before you move on to anything else. We cleared the code and the ASC system service required notification went off the cluster, and it hasn't come back, and it's been about 3 weeks since we've done this. So that's what I'd recommend to do first, and that would be to firstly check that your tail lights are working correctly. And that's why this is just going to be part one, just in case we come up with or something else comes up that's causing this error. But for now, it hasn't been coming up, and in the future we'll definitely let you know if there is with another video. We hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in our upcoming videos.